Good morning standard 5 students. This is your revision 3 in maths. So today we are going to do few sums from fraction. Okay. So your first question is children 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 12. Okay children. So first we have to find here the LCM of 3, 2 and 12. Okay. So first I am going to divide them by 2. Here 3 will come down. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again by 3, 3 ones are 3, 1, 3 twos are 6. Okay. So here LCM is 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 2. Okay. 2 3s are 6, 6 twos are 12. So here the denominator will be 12. Okay. Now I am going to divide 12 by 3. 3 4s are 12. Then 4 into 1, 4. So I will write here 4. Again divide 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12. 6 1s are 6. So I will write here 6. Plus here 12. So I will simply write here 7. Okay. Then in denominator here 12. Then 4 minus 6 plus 7 is 5 children. Okay. So your answer is here 5 by 12. Okay. Then children your next number is B 2 and 2 by 3 minus 2 and 1 by 6 plus 5 by 12. Okay children. Here 2 and 2 by 3 minus 2 and 1 by 6. Here these are the mixed fractions. So first I am going to write them like this. 2 plus 2 by 3 minus 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 12. Okay. Here 2 and 2 are whole numbers. So first write them like this. Then the fractional number are 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 12. Okay. 2 minus 2 children 0. So I will write here 0. Then we have to find out here the LCM of 3, 6 and 12. Okay. 3, 6 and 12. First I am by 3. Okay. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Then again by 2. Here 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then LCM will be here children 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Here the denominator will be 12. Now again children divide 12 by 3. 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So I will write here 8. Then here 6. Okay. 6 divided 12, 2, 2 1s are 2. So I will write here 2. Then here simply I will write 5 because here 12, here 12. Okay. Then your answer will be 0. No need to write there. Then here 12. 8 plus 2 plus 5. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. This is 15 by 12. Children, this is not a proper fraction. So I am going to simplify it. And it will be 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. Here 5 by 4 and it will be 1 and 1 by 4. Okay. Then the last question here 2 by 7. Okay. It is the number C. 2 by 7 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 21. Okay. So first children we have to find out here the LCM of 7, 4 and 21. 7, sorry. Here the number is 4 by 3. Okay. 7, 3 and 21. So first I am going to divide it by 3. Here 7 will come down. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. Then by 7, 7 1s are 7. And here also 7 1s are 7. So LCM here 3 into 7 into 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 21. 1. Okay. So here the denominator will be 21. Okay. Then divide 21 by 7. 7 3 is a 21. 3 2 is a 6. So I will write here 6. Then 3. 3 7 is a 21. Then 7 4 is a 28. So I will write here 28. Then plus here 21. So simply you will write here 5. Okay. Then in denominator 21. 6 plus 28 plus 5. Children, 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 28 39. I am going to simplify it. Divide by 3. Okay. 3 1 is 3. 3 3 is a 9. 3 7 is a 21. It is 13 by 7, children. Okay. It is not a proper fraction. So it will be 1 and 6 by 7. Okay. Your answer is 1 and 6 by 7. Next, children, we are going to find out HCF. Okay. Highest common factor, HCF, by successive division method. Okay. Okay, children. So your first question is 225 and 315. We have to find out HCF of 225 and 315. Children, here the 315 is the larger number. So I am going to divide this larger number by the smaller number. Here 2 to 5. Okay. Here 225. 1 is 225. Okay. So I will going to take 225 ones are 225. Then subtract it. 5 minus 0, 0 in 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Okay. So here 9 is the remainder. Now again I am going to divide the first divisor 225 by 90. Okay. 91 is 90. 92 is 180. And subtract 5 minus 0 is 5. 12 minus 8 equal to 4. Okay. Children, again I am going to divide the second divisor. It is the first divisor. It is the second divisor. 90. You have to continue it till we will get the remainder 0. Okay. So 45 ones are 45. 45 twos are 90. Here the remainder is 0. So your answer will be 45. Children, HCF is here 45. Okay. Then the next one is the numbers are 32, 64 and 96. Here the numbers are 3 numbers. Okay. So first I am going to divide 64. 64 by 32. Okay. 64 by 32. 64 is larger than 32. So I am going to divide 62 by 32. Here 32 1 is 32 and 32 2 is 2 2 is 4, 3 2 is 6. Okay. 64 and remainder 0. Children, here HCF of 32 and 64 is 32. Okay. Now again I am going to divide 96 by the HCF of 32 and 64. Okay. Here 32. 32 3 is 6 and here 9. So children, remainder is 0. Okay. So here HCF of 32 and 96 is again 32. Therefore HCF of 32, 64 and 96 is 32. Okay children, hope you all understood the sums. Today's class is over. Have a good day and stay safe.